All right, man, check it out, man. It's your boy Trucker Puppeteer, man. You see what's going on, man. You see it, man. Yo, like I said, the t-shirt's coming, man. The t-shirt's coming. Trucker Puppeteer t-shirts is coming. Be on the lookout. Anyway, this video is to help new drivers, man. Look, all drivers, really. Cause I know when you at a truck stop, you gotta take a dooski mooski, man. Number 2, man, dooski mooski. You need somewhere to go. And let me show y'all something. It used to be that bucket right there, but listen, I ain't gotta move him off my bucket no more. We don't have to do that no more, fellas. We don't have to do that no more, ladies. Look, guys, man, you already know. 9 times out of 10, my bathroom, I got a whole bunch of Gatorade bottles. I keep them. I got orange juice bottles. I keep them. That's what I number 1 in. But if I got dooski mooski, let me show y'all my baby too, man. It's my snake. See, it guard my organite pyramid, man. It guard it, man. It's guarding it, man. You see that, man? Yeah, it guard that. Look at it. He keep my energy good, man. He keep my energy good. But anyway, let's put this here so I can show y'all what you need. You need to get you one of these. Let me lock it down real quick. Get you one of these, man. Get you one. Portable potties, man. They on Amazon, I think, for like 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Get you a portable potty, and you ain't gotta be at a truck stop and trying to wait for the bathroom, using all your shower credits and all that. I used to use my shower credits a lot. You ain't gotta do all that. You can sit comfortable on your truck. It come with trash bags, like specifically for these, but man, I'm a nigga, man. Let me tell you, I'm a use bags, period. Whatever bag, trash. I got hella trash bags, but you can keep buying these right here. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all. Look, man, you see how it's flat, man. You can put it anywhere, but then get what? It locked, man. It locks. It locks, man. Look. Show y'all something. You do them latches right there. Lift it up. Boom. Boom. Look. Boom. Then it come with these trash bags right here. Let me show y'all these trash. It come with these trash bags. I'm gonna just show y'all an example of what you do. But you can use any trash bag. Get one. Open that thing up. You lift up that seat right there. You place it in there. Place it in there. It gonna hook. Now, what I do is, I got blue paper towels. I take my blue paper towels because they thicker. They absorb better than me. You take them. I put about two sheets in there to catch it. Boom. Then, you know what I'm saying, I keep. Now, I'm gonna say, I got a whole bunch of these, but it's just, I'm almost out, so you know I be using them. Get you some dude wipes. Dude wipes, man. And paper towel, you get you a paper towel or some tissue or whatever you want to use. And you finish off with a dude wipe. Make sure you get everything, man, because, you know, man, I'm just saying, I like to be clean. And then, that's the wipe, you know what I'm saying? Some of them, they got the little tissue thing on the side of it, whatever, man, I don't need all that. But anyway, you put that down. Bro, look, check it out, check the boy out. You gonna have to tuck, you know, guy fellas, you gonna have to tuck that thing and figure it out. But man, I'll be like that right here, man. Where's my remote? Man, I'll be like that right here. Watching TV. Taking a dooski mooski. I close my curtain, take a dooski mooski. Or I leave it open. Not just I close. Or you can leave the side, man, because if you like to see the view, like you like outside, man, you know what I'm saying? You just look at outside, ain't nobody looking at you. But anyway, you close the curtain. Then you get done, boom. You up, baby. You know what I'm saying? You up. Then you gonna lift it up, take it out. You're gonna bust that move right there, tie it up, put it in a little trash bag or whatever. Go dump it, man. Go throw it in the trash can. And then get what? When you're done, you're gonna hit that latch. You're gonna hit that latch and hit that one latch right there. 3 latches. And boom. Boom, it's back down, brother. Man, listen. Get y'all one of them portable potties, man. I'm telling you, on Amazon. They probably got them on TikTok. I don't know, but get you one, man. I'm trying to just help y'all out, man. Get you a portable potty so you can be comfortable when you use the bathroom. You ain't got to park close to the truck stop door and got to keep running in and out. If your stomach messed up, ooh, you ain't got to be worrying about no portable potties outside, man. You got one. And you ain't got to squat all the way down no bucket or none of that, man. And it fold back up, man. I'm just telling you, man. I'm gonna tell you something. I don't give a damn where I shut down at now because I got one. I'm straight. I got my food. Man, listen. I'm straight now. That's just something to help y'all out, man. If y'all ain't got one, go get you one, man. Very good investment. I'm just letting you know. But yeah, this is the boy Truckin' Puppeteer, man. Appreciate all the likes, support, the shares, the comments. If you know some stuff, put it out there, man. Talk to me. Tell these folks what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Help these drivers out here, man, because a lot of folk don't know, and I'm learning as I go, picking up items, and you learn how to live the lifestyle and make you real comfortable, man. That's the number one thing you need when you on your truck, is be comfortable. And when you shut down, you comfortable. You ain't got to get off your truck. You got everything on your truck. Boom. But yeah.